Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 22nd. This is my analysis for gold, and we're on the daily time frame. So on gold, we made a very soft turn to the downside yesterday, finally. I think it does confirm that at least the wave 3 from the trend that started right here is complete. So more than likely, we are in a wave 4 right now, which I would expect to eventually start making some sort of an overlapping pattern. I would also expect this to last at least 10 trading days because that is basically what the wave 2 is. So I would maybe expect it to look something like this based on the time. And then I do think there is a good chance it will end up going up again. I wouldn't expect too much more than a 38 or a 50% pullback either because a wave 4 should only be a corrective pattern to the wave 3. So anyways, going down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, very soft move to the downside. Now, if and when we do get break of structure, which it looks like it's already trying to, that may be the completion of the wave A. We may actually now be starting like a wave B, possibly something like this for wave B, and then back down again for wave C, most likely. A wave 4 should be a corrective pattern, and it can play out in any version of the many different crescents that we see, including flats, WXYs, triangles, all different kinds of patterns. So the thing is that wave fours can be very messy, very overlapping patterns. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.